All right. Well, this is Nicholas Sostek.
And I'm Michael Paiva.
This is week 1 for C499B. All right. This week we have started our thesis paper, and we continued working on the circuit overall and started implementing different things. We just got access to the SPICE netlist for our buck converter because in multisim they didn't have that buck converter, so we had to get access from Texas Instruments to be able to add that into multisim. So that's where we are with that.
So as Nick said, we just got permission to use the SPICE netlist to simulate the buck converter for our power supply. The ADC is working, the SD card is being tested, but we've run into some problems with some parts of the code. So we've been working to narrow those down and make that work.
All right. This week we started our thesis paper. We have gotten through 4 chapters so far, adding in different bits and pieces to each chapter to add what we have done throughout this class and make this thesis paper into what it needs to be by the end of this month.
So we've run in, as before, we've run into problems with the power supply circuit, specifically the buck converter board chip. We want to simulate that so we can make sure that the circuit is working correctly and narrow down what our possible problems are. We started on the thesis paper and trying to make sure we have enough content for that.
What we want to accomplish next week is just continue building out the ammeter circuit and integrating all the different parts together. Like we said, we gain access to the SPICE netlist to simulate the buck converter for the power supply and figure out where the issues lie. And and just continue working on our thesis paper as a whole and keep adding different aspects and content into it.
This is our updated Gantt chart. We made it the most current as possible. You can see all of our different things we've been working on.
And this is just our work structure updated. We just updated the days and amounts of days for each thing that we've been having a little bit of troubles on throughout the class. And here's just the rest of the work structure update on the last 2 slides. All right, and that is our presentation for week 1.
Thank you.
Thank you.